Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. I've been teaching driver's education 21 years. I do DMV tests, road test prep. We're driving in very hazardous conditions. Let's talk about some of the hazards. Obviously, it's sleet and it's snow. It is rush hour in the morning, and we have very low light. And also, there's a truck ahead of us with a nasty surprise of wood and other materials hanging out. So what I'm going to do is make a lane change to left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and you've got to keep your following distance. So if you're a beginning driver here, you want to keep space, you want to take your time. Please give me feedback if you like the a point of view driving that I'm doing. I'm trying some different equipment. Thanks Mitch for allowing me to borrow this. Please give me feedback on this. Anyway, I'm keeping good space, right? If you've seen my content before, I talk about keeping space, being smooth. I have plenty of time to get to my destination. My gasoline is about a half a tank. The temperature of the car is in the middle. I'm spinning at 2,000 RPMs, and I'm right at the speed limit. So, and windshield wipers, I have to mention those. If you're a beginning driver, you don't know what windshield wipers are. You only know when they don't work and when they streak the window and you can't see. These were changed earlier this year in September, October. And I have about a gallon of windshield washer solvent that is used to spray on the windows and clean them. So I'm at good speed right now. I'm keeping my space. You can see drivers tapping their brakes and tapping their brakes and tapping their brakes. You do not want to develop those bad habits. I'm going with the flow. I'm in the middle lane. The lane to the left is for faster moving traffic. The lane all the way to the right is for slower moving traffic. Try to drive in one of the two middle lanes if possible. If you can't, that's okay, but beware that you will have traffic pulling in front of you. So we're just maintaining speed, and most of the lights are synchronized or have timers to allow the flow of the traffic to proceed. So we're safe in the morning. It is 0 degrees Celsius, so it's not exactly fun out here today. You've got to have proper clothing on. You want to be safe. You want to look when you go through intersections. You can see me looking left and right. You've got to have those eye movements. However, the most important thing is looking ahead. In January of 2021, that's a good lane change. In January of 2021, I do have some surprises for you, and I'm going to share with you the journey that I'm going to go through, and we'll document and be able to look at data. So I'm really excited to get into that and add some variety to the channel. So we're maintaining good speed. You're scanning left, middle, right. You want to check your rear view mirror every 12 to 15 seconds. I'm looking ahead as far as I can. 3 lights, 4 lights, they're green, but also lights, they're called pop-up lights. They change very fast, and you never want to slam your brake. You always want to look ahead and make sure you're smooth, because cars will just pop out on you. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. We're driving in hazardous conditions. There are multiple hazards such as the rain, sleet, snow. We've got to have proper gear on and be safe. I need you to give this a thumbs up if you're getting value, and I highly suggest you subscribe to my channel. Thank you, God bless you. I look forward to working with you more in 2021.